Crypto Kids, good morning. The price of Bitcoin is dropping a little like we said it would do last night. I just want to say that Bitcoin will likely drop a little bit more, and in today's video I want to share the reasons with you. So without further ado, destroy the like button, subscribe if you want to become a Crypto Kid, and turn on the notification bell to not miss out on daily video updates. Guys, I just woke up. It's pretty early here, but it is what it is. Bitcoin comes first, you guys come first, so let's jump into the price action right now. Okay, so going into the 1 hourly time frame for Bitcoin, you can see that there was initially a bearish divergence on the RSI. This isn't something that I talked about, but it is a supporting claim to why Bitcoin can definitely see a continuation of its drop. What we spoke about was the fact that Bitcoin has two CME gaps. One of the CME gaps was at 118.500, which Bitcoin is successfully closed, and number two, the CME gap, the second one, the one that was created initially, is placed at 114.300. Now on top of those two CME gaps, so the first one is now closed, the second one, the initial one actually at 114, is still pending to close. We had a shooting star candle at the top of a trend, right? And that's, I mean, most of the time reverses trend into the bearish direction, so that, you know, you see a bit of a healthy retest, a correction, or you reverse the trend entirely. In this case, I just think that we're going to see a retest to 114, as that is where the CME gap that was created is currently sitting at. And also we have the retest. We would be getting the retest to the resistance of the inverse head and shoulders, which Bitcoin likes to do. On massive macro timeframes, when it creates large scale patterns, Bitcoin likes to confirm them by coming down and retesting its resistance. When we do see this retest, it's going to confirm the formation of this inverse head and shoulders, and it's actually going to anticipate a much higher Bitcoin price. So what I would be doing is, over on your week's account, opening as many limit long positions, at least that's what I'm doing, at 114, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, because I think that retest will be legendary and will help push the price of Bitcoin to further new heights, as the M2 money supply right now is projecting even $150,000 to $160,000 per Bitcoin. And finally, just to go back into the short-term time frame, you can also notice a bit of a bump and run reversal pattern. So these are normal patterns that you can see at the top of a trend too. They look like the following. So you get a bit of a you get the bump and the run, and then the reversal to the downside. So all of these things are pointing to the 114 level, and I wouldn't be scared at all if that is what ends up happening. When we go to the altcoin market is getting a little bit more destroyed, and Bitcoin dominance should be increasing a little bit because the Pump.Fun launch has been scooping all of the liquidity from the altcoin market. Altcoins are down approximately 8 to 10% today. My Bitcoin dominance chart doesn't want to load, but altcoins are down 8 to 10% today, and that is because Pump Fund's token sale is extracting all the liquidity from the market. This will happen in the future if we get another sort of token that's hyped up and it's launching in a time of no retail. Unfortunately, all of the liquidity that goes into meme coins, that goes into new token launches, this is reused between the existing liquidity in Bitcoin, in stable coins, and in altcoins. And therefore, if something needs to raise money, or if something gets hype, people will sell their existing cryptocurrency to buy that, which will cause a further dump, a more dump, or it will cause a dump in the other altcoins, which you don't want to see. So guys, that's basically for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you on the Moon Show in a couple of hours time. And with that said, take care. And as always, guys, bye-bye.